Ordering numbers, putting amounts of money in ascending or descending order. What is it? Arranging numbers from ascending order or descending order. If you don't know what those words are, ascending, small to big, descending, big to small. So if you can remember, if you're going down a mountain, you are descending. So down for D, down for descending. Y helps with less than, equal to, and greater than. Interesting fact, Venus is the only planet to spin clockwise. We have 4 steps when we're ordering numbers. Step 1, convert to 1 unit. Step 2, determine if the smallest or largest number goes first. Step 3, put them in order by their place value. Step 4, make sure to put them in their original form. Example 1, put the amounts of money in ascending order. So we have these 5 numbers. Okay, we need to do step 1 first by putting them all in the same unit. Since there are $3, I'm going to switch it to dollars. You can switch it to cents if you find cents easier than dollars. So let's go ahead and do the first step. So as you can see, 400 cents is $4. 8 cents is $0.08. So now I'm going to show you a table. So this is what you're doing this is step 3, putting them in order by their place value. So since ascending, we need to start with the smallest number. So when you go look at the units, and we find 0 is the smallest. So therefore, we can cross it off and put it in my answer. Now we need to look at the next ones. We realize 2 is the next smallest, so we find it. And then we're going to go ahead and cross it off and put $2 in the answer. And then now we're going to see that we have 3 units that have 4. Okay, so we don't know which one is the next biggest. So that's why if we have the small, if those are the same, we need to check the next place value, which is the tens. And unfortunately, we have 2 numbers that are the same, which is 0. So now we need to check the next one of 0 and 4, and obviously 0 is the smallest. So $4 is the next number in the sequence. So now we're still trying to find the next biggest number between $4.10 and $4.04. So now we're going to compare the last 2 4s. As you can see, the units are the same. So now we have to compare to the tens. And since 0 is smaller, we know that $4.04 is the answer. So we're going to cross it off and put it in the answer. And then now there's only one left, which is $4.10. Cross it off and put it in your answer. So we have arranged the numbers in ascending order. Now the only thing left to do is step 4. Make sure to put them back in the original form. And then there's your answer. 8 cents, $2, 400 cents, $4.04, and $4.10. Now we're going to do example 2. Put the amounts of money in descending order. So D for down. So we need to start with the biggest number, and let's go ahead and get started. So we have 5 numbers, and this time we have more cents than dollars. So let's go ahead and convert them into everything into cents. So we did step 1. Step 2 we've already done because it says descending, so we're going down. So we need to start with the biggest number. So let's go and try and find that. So we've done the table. We have put everything. Now we need to compare the 100. So we need to find the biggest 100, which is 5. So therefore, we can cross it off and put 500 in the answer. Now we need to find the next biggest, which is 4. There's no other 4, so we can cross it out and put 433 in the answer. Now we're going to compare, and there's 3 2's, so we have to compare those numbers. So now we have to go to the next place value, find the next biggest, which is 8. There's nothing else. There's no other 8, so we can cross that off and put it in the answer. Now we only have 2 left, so we have to compare the 200s. We're trying to find the next biggest, which is 7. So 7 is obviously bigger than 0. So 274 is the next biggest. Cross it off. And now we only have 1 left, so we can just go ahead and put it in the answer and cross it off. Now remember step 4. Make sure that you put them in their original form. And then now your final answer is $5, 433 cents, 280 cents, and $2.74, and finally 204 cents in order going by descending. Now let's take a look. Here's your turn. Okay, I'm going to show you the answers in about 3 seconds, so go ahead and pause the video. 3, 2, and 1. Here are the answers. If you got them correct, well done. If you didn't, there's always tomorrow.